If you need a replacement part for your Dustless blaster, we've got you covered 24/7. Here's how to use the parts store. Right now, we're on our website, dustlessblasting.com. Go to Support and click on Parts Store. Here you can see all the parts that we have to offer. You're probably shopping for a specific machine though, so let's go to Shop by Machine. Let's say I have a DB500. Here I can see a diagram of my Dustless blaster. Let's say I need another fill cap. You can actually click right on the diagram and it'll take you to the part that you need. Or scroll to the bottom and you can see a list of all the parts. To shop for parts that aren't included on the diagram, click here. Now let's check out the fill cap. I'm going to add it to my cart. Let's say I need a pinch hose too. I'm going to shop by category this time. Let's see, a 1-inch pinch hose. That looks like it'll fit my DB500. I'm going to add that to the cart as well. All right, I'm ready to check out now. We're located in Houston, Texas, and if you live nearby, you can choose to pick your parts up in the store to get them the same day, or you can check out like normal. So here I'll just enter all of my contact information and I'll choose my shipping options. As you can see, we have lots of next day options available if you need your parts soon. And now I'll just put in my payment information and check out. We hope that you find the parts store really convenient and we hope that it can make your job easier than ever.